Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to mock up your logo using Adobe Photoshop. To change the background color, click twice here. To add your logo, simply click on this tiny icon. To hide the previous picture, click here. Place the logo you want to mock up in this space and arrange it however you like. Return to the mock and see the magic happen. For the second bag, follow the same procedure. You may do this with nearly every mockup that you download from the internet. If you run into any difficulties, don't hesitate to contact me on Instagram or leave a comment below. That's all for today. I will see you in my upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.